Oh yeah, guys, so this is kind of what we're gonna do. We're gonna ride this BC by BC 22 border to border, coast to coast. This is the Ornery One, and you're watching our BC by BC 22 ride.
Yes, which is a border to border and coast to coast 11,000-mile ride, 2 different highways all along the backroads of America.
That's right. If you guys like motorcycle content, then you're at the right channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with your riding buddies. Oh yeah, let's get to it. You guys have seen us build the big board picture of Harley Davidson this spring. Now it's time for Steph and I to pin its ears back and do some miles. And that's exactly what we're about to do, and this is what you're gonna see, is our BC by BC 22 on these upcoming videos on the Ornery One. And what is BC by BC 22?
So that is our border to border and coast to coast ride. We are riding Highway 50, which is the loneliest road in America, from Ocean City, Maryland out to Sacramento, California. Then we're going to be dropping down to El Paso at the Mexico border and riding all the way up to Buffalo, New York at the Canada border. And then, of course, after those 2 rides, we're going to be ending up in Sturgis for the best party anywhere at the Buffalo Chip.
Yeah, Sturgis 22, baby.
So we got one more thing that we're doing on the BC by BC 22 ride, and that is booty drops.
Yeah, so I asked Steph if we could do this, and we came up with this really cool concept that we'll basically be doing geo drops across the back roads of America, which we have dubbed the booty drops. And in these booty drops are all kind of prizes from our sponsors, and as we ride, you win.
These tokens right here, these are our booty drops, and there's going to be 8 of them scattered across the back roads of America, and it's up to you to find them.
You can have a chance to be part of our BC by BC 22 by winning our booty drops across America.
So it's not only a motorcycle ride, but it's also a hunt, because it is up to you to find the booty drops. These are the Ornery One tokens, and our Facebook event pages has all the clues and riddles to where you can find them.
Yep, it's pretty cool because all of our fine sponsors are pitching in, and you can win while we ride.
Yeah, so it's like a motorcycle ride and hunt.
Yeah, pretty much geo drops.
So we're dropping some booty along the way.
Dropping some booty, that's right, guys. You can see us building these tokens. Steph has elements of the OSO. So this is us out in the shop making these handmade and be dropping them across the USA.